Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use AirDNA and which subscription would be the best for you, okay? So, first let me show you how to actually use this. For example, let's say you wanted to do research on a specific market. You can search that place up, or even a specific address or submarket. Let me show you some submarkets we can work with. For example, let's do Denver Heights. Has a market score of 100 right now. And let's wait for this to load up. Of course, you can also see the map right here. Will show all the different properties. So if I hover over a property, it will show its images, how much revenue that property would be making right now, right? But before we get into that, let me show you this. This is how this submarket is performing. The market score, the submarket score is 100 right now. So it has really good investability, great rental demand. Revenue growth has been increasing compared to the previous months, and seasonality is doing actually really well because this means that this market isn't that seasonal. It's very, very stable throughout the year, right? As you can see, the annual revenue has grown by a substantial 31%, and occupancy rates are up by 13%. Wow, okay. Average daily rates increased by 14% as well. Number of acts after, hey, wow. Okay, this is a booming market, okay? The active listings have increased. Listings by rental size, if you look at it right here, it's mostly 3 bedrooms. So I guess they could be an untapped market here in the 1 bedroom, rental size. Could go ahead and look into that. And here you can also see where these listings are. They are 65% on Airbnb, only 5% on Verbo, 30% on both. And if you look at the rental growth, the active listings have been increasing by 19% the last 3 years. So if I scroll down even more, here you can see the amenities people tend to offer. So if you do list, you should have similar amenities to actually get bookings, right? So if I scroll down even more, right? Also here, if I hover over a property, so let me zoom in for you here. Let me hover over one property. So let's do this one. As you can see, I will get an image of the property. I'll also get what revenue this property is making. This one is only making about $255. I guess it is newly listed. As you can see, it only has like 3 ratings. Let's get a more established property. This one's also kind of new. Seems there's a lot of new properties in this area. Okay, look at this. This one has a good amount of ratings, but the revenue is not great. Okay, we need to find some proper properties. Okay, this one right here. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, $6,100 in revenue. Let me show you something after this, okay? So here we can look at the average occupancy last 12 months. What percentage of the month was occupied? Let's see right here. You can see the trend, what months were peaking, right? It's pretty stable here. Now, if I scroll back up, and if I go to the STR listings, the short-term rental listings, we'll be able to see right here, some homes are doing really good. This one, $131,000 in the revenue potential, $133,000 basically, 53% occupancy, right? You can see a bunch of different properties here. There's a lot of properties doing well, so you can go ahead and see what properties are doing well, and you could decide to replicate that and try to avoid properties that are not doing well. So here it is sorted by revenue. You can also sort by occupancy or review count. So let's go ahead by occupancy, see what's going on here. And you can see 1 bedrooms tend to make around $11,000. Okay, if it's a good property like this. This one is only making about 8,000. So you can see what you're expecting to make. You can come here also see some for sale properties. This one is selling for $249,000. Expected revenue of $39,000. So you would get a yield of about 15.7%. And you can go ahead and analyze different properties like this. So for example, let's say I go ahead and decide to click on this property, right? I'll also be able to use the rentalizer feature, which I will be going into. So right now I'm on the Pro plan, right? And I have all these features for the rentalizer, right? But I don't have some advanced features, especially for insights for management, property management and investing. Okay, let me show you what I do have access to in the Pro feature. So I can see all this, right? This is part of the rentalizer, and I also get access to the financial calculator. I can see what the cap rate would be, estimated operating expenses. This will be the net operating income. I can also go ahead and customize this. Maybe if I want to go ahead and change and remove the marketing, you know, a management fee. If you are going to add some other fees, for example, marketing, I can put it right here at 500, right? Management fee, let's say you will take care of this property yourself, or maybe you got a good deal, maybe 10%. That would increase your cap rate, for example. Now, let's go over the subscription options, okay? So, AirDNA's platform basically revolves around tools like the rentalizer, the market insights, right? And these features basically help you analyze the potential rental properties and maximize revenue. But to actually get the most out of AirDNA, it is important that you pick the right subscription for you. So, for example, here, as you can see, I can get access to do some dynamic pricing with 5 of my listings. But if I get the advanced one, I could get this to unlimited, okay? There would be no limit right here. So you basically go ahead and connect our listing through their API with AirDNA, right? And the free plan basically, okay, it's best for casual users or beginners, right? It offers you limited access to Rentalizer, basic market insights, and just about 1 year of historical data. It's basically perfect just for those people who are exploring the platform or doing light research. The Pro plan is ideal for senior investors, serious investors and property managers. It includes everything in the free plan, plus, amenity and performance filters, right? Up to 3 years of historical data, export and download capabilities, tools like the smart rate recommendations for up to 12 months. And this plan is basically great if you want more granular insights and the ability to manage multiple listings effectively. And the advanced plan, on the other hand, it's designed for large scale property managers and professional investors. It includes all the Pro plan features plus advanced underwriting tools, which will also be coming soon as well. They have, unlimited dynamic pricing capabilities. They have property level data, right? They also have, it helps you compare property managers and, access custom map layers. So if you're managing a large portfolio, right, or you need in-depth analysis, this is the way to go. So it depends what plan would be right to you. It depends what stage you are currently in. Okay, you can start and decide what would apply to you. So I hope this guide provided value, and good luck.